We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in AutoCAD software.
Hi guys, in this video we will see how trim and extend command is being used in AutoCAD. Both the commands are used to modify the objects already drawn in our AutoCAD file. So we can find those tools in modify panel. We will first see the trim and its application. Let's see this picture. In that you can see many lines intersecting and some lines are protruded beyond this line. In this drawing we have to remove all the protruded lines to make our drawing a perfect one. For that I am going to take the command trim. The short key for the command is trim. For the trim is TR. Press enter. Now the command is asking to select the objects. Here the objects we have to select should be the boundary for our trimming function. Let me select this line as my boundary so that I can trim all the protruded lines towards the left side of this line. So this line is my boundary. Now press the enter button after the selection. Select the lines or protruded edges to trim. Here I am selecting these lines. The protruded edges got trimmed. Here we should need to know that the trim command will trim the lines that have intersection or crossover. Also these lines will not be trimmed because we have here already defined our boundary and the lines crossing those boundaries already removed. If you want to remove any line in this drawing, you can use the erase sub option within the command window. Select the erase and select the objects and then enter. This is one method of using trim. In another method, we will give double enter after typing tr in the command window. If we select any of these lines with a crossing, it will be terminated. See, this is little bit easier than the previous one, right? See, now here we have a line, both crossings are trimmed. This is the line, and if you want to be trimmed with respect to this line, so this much portion has to be removed. Now this is not possible. To complete our action, we can take the sub option edge and select extend within it. Now try. See, you can trim the line with respect to this line. Here we are not showing any boundary to be get trimmed. Now we will see extend command. The short key is EX and it is same like trim. We can use by pressing single enter and double enter. First we will use it with a single enter. Now I have shown the boundary. After showing the boundary, press the enter button. Show the object which has to be extended up to this boundary. Fine. Now we will again use the extend with double enter. Select the line to be extended. If we have turned on the edge option in the trim, the extend command will also be work as the edges option in extend. So this line extended to the nearest cross line. This is a cross line. So see, the line is extending to the nearest crossing. Now the line will not move, will not extend further. Okay. Now we will see another option within these commands. Let me take extend and double enter. Let me press shift while selecting the objects. See, the lines are getting trimmed. Great. So when we use shift within the command to select the objects, trim will work as extend and vice versa. I hope you got the procedure to use the trim and extend command. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe us for more videos.